Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm going to show you how to inspect and replace your air filter on your 2014 to 2023 Polaris RZR XP 1000s in both the 2-seaters and the 4-seaters. It will also work for the XP turbos. And you want to inspect this at least every 25 hours or 250 miles. It's really simple to do. I've got my new air filter. Let's go ahead and get it done. In the cargo bed, we need to start by removing the access panel, and then I'm using some compressed air to clean around the airbox cover. I'm going to release the 4 clips and remove that. You can take a look at the seal around the edge of this cover, make sure that's in good condition. Then remove the air filter by pulling it out towards the right side or passenger side of the vehicle. Then I'm going to take a rag, wipe that out, and we'll shove a clean rag inside of here while we clean the airbox out. And this is just going to help prevent getting our new air filter dirty right away. I'm also going to clean that cover off. Now, to inspect the air filter, if this was caked with dirt, you definitely want to replace it. But if it's a little less obvious, one thing you can do is hold this up to the light and compare it to a new air filter. The more light you see coming through on the inside, the cleaner the air filter is. So if it's not completely dark, you probably have some more time on the air filter. But there's a side note with this. The manual does not recommend cleaning the air filter with compressed air. It could potentially damage it. And the other thing you need to know is you want to check for any tears or damage to the filter itself. Along with that, make sure you don't have any oil contamination on the paper. So you can see our air filter is dirty and it's time for replacement. So we're going with the Tusk Pro Defense air filter. We've got other options on our website as well. Before I put this in, I am going to apply just a thin film of grease on the inside, right where that seals. That's going to help prevent dust from entering the intake, and when we go to remove it, it's not going to be stuck. Then we can transfer the plastic ring from the old air filter to the new one. Make sure that's cleaned off as well. Then just make sure the air filter is fully installed. You've got a retainer at the back of the cover that holds the air filter in place. Then we can reinstall the airbox cover. Make sure you have all 4 clips latched. And then we can reinstall our access panel. And that's all there is to replacing the air filter on your Polaris RZR XP 1000. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. If you need parts, accessories, or anything else for your machine, you can find that stuff on our website by clicking the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.